Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will be cooking escargot or water snail or Khmer kchong or kchao. I believe it's kchong because it's a little bit bigger. I'm not too sure. If you know, it's kchong, comment below. And I got these snail from a lady who was selling at Oak Park. So I have soaked these snail for 3 nights already. Make sure they're clean. During those 3 nights, you want to make sure you clean each day. I clean about twice a day. So here I'm draining out the water, and I'm going to continue cleaning it this time with a sponge. So this is going to be my last final cleaning. Well, not last, but clean it with a sponge or something, to scrub it off. You can use like a toothbrush or something. And you want to make sure you super clean that because it's very dirty because it's been, they live in like the creek water. And basically give it a good, scrubbing. The creek, the creek. Mình thơ liền là tròn lên cho nó chầu tròn đứng bom ổn đấy học cháu một tròn liền khoác nước đã không mình nông khăn khó mọc ra những phong mà sợi bằng đấy hãy bạn khoác học cháu học tròn ở đây này. I have cleaned all these escargot or water snail. So next I am going to cut the end of the shell right here. You cut it so when you stir fry it, all the flavor, the seasoning go inside the shell, and it gives the snail a lot of flavor. And I noticed the shell is not as hard, so it's pretty easy when you cut it. Because I know some snail, the shell is a little bit hard. Like you go the sea snail. They're a little bit harder, but this is pretty soft. You can manage to cut it easily. After I clean all this snail, I give it a final rinse to make sure the shell doesn't stick inside the meat. So just want to make sure I clean again, and it is super clean when you cook the snail. Here I have my wok, and I'm going to add in some oil. You can use any kind of oil. Make sure your wok is hot. And then I'm stir frying the lemongrass paste. And the lemongrass paste, if you're Khmer, you're used to cooking food with the paste. Basically it's lemongrass, kaffir lime leaf, garlic, turmeric, and galanga. And you want to smash this, or you want to blend it in a food processor, or however what is best for you. Okay, after you cook the lemongrass paste for about 1 minute, then add in the clean snail, and you're gonna cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add in your seasoning. I normally just use fish sauce, sugar, and chicken bouillon. And here I give, this is fish sauce. Give it about between 30 to 40 shake. And then add in sugar. You can add a lot or less, depending how sweet you want it. This is chicken bouillon. You don't have to use it, but I like to use it because it gives a little bit more flavor. Then you're going to cook the snail for about maybe 3 minutes or so. And here you can also add maybe a little bit lemon juice or the tamarind powder mix to give a little bit sour, if you like it to be sour. So here I have stir fry for about 3-4 minutes, Then I add in the coconut milk. Depends how, how much you like the coconut milk. You can add a lot or less. I basically, in this video, I use the whole can just because I don't want to keep leftover. Because normally if I keep leftover, I put it in the fridge and it's going to get, spoiled, and I toss it away. So I just use the whole thing. So here you keep cooking it, and then you're going to cover it, let it cook more. So all the coconut milk and the sauce, get soaked into the snail.
Cắt cút với đấy đấy.
Yeah, cắt.
Cắt cút đấy ở châu chiết bị ba mong châu bị cút mong sập vô bớt vô mà. Yeah. Nói mong châu chặt bớt đó rồi chuột vô mà. Looking good now, that smell good. Khăn ngồi ấy hay có mơ tới cuối trăm nhâm ấy chụp ra tí đông ra mà đó. Đã tới tí mong là khổ về phải họp tí chân đó rồi về ăn này mong. Ok thì đây dừng miền cha hay hay sao cha kêu sao rồi cha chào tí kêu chờ này cha chào tí.
So I kind of remove the cover and give it a little mix so it cook evenly, and then cover it back. I did this about 2 times. And then the second time I add in some more kaffir lime leaf to give it a nice citrus aroma. You could put the whole thing like I did here, or totally forgot. You probably want to cut it up into small pieces or shred it so it releases more of the citrus aroma. So cook this until the coconut milk a little bit reduced and become kind of thick, like a thick sauce. This is almost done. Basically, you're going to give it, the final taste. And if you need to add more salt, more sugar to your liking, I kind of add a little bit more salt, maybe like half a teaspoon, and a little bit more sugar, just because I like mine towards the sweet flavor. And that's it. Here you go. This is cooked for another about 2 minutes or so. And then now we are ready to serve.
Đây curry chao tí đông. Curry chao tí đông.
The flavor to the snail, this dish is pretty delicious. It tastes similar to any Khmer cooking with kti. So the secret to it is make sure your sauce is awesome, delicious. If your sauce is delicious, your snail will be delicious too.
Look at that.
Okay, so the dish is complete. And if you like this video, like always, don't forget to press like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until then, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.